What's up, gang? It's John Comanche from Carwheeler Motors, and I have a first here. I'm going to show you. This is the 2025 Factor E 50 amp hour battery. And what I've just discovered is actually very refreshing is how to take it off. Now, I was thinking, this thing looks way more complicated than the old one. The old one was straight up 3 bolts. You take it out, you pull the battery out. But check it out. There's only 2 mounting points here. 1 and 2, and those are mounted to these brackets here on the battery. And if you take a look at the bottom, it's very robust. I'm impressed. This is very nice bracing. Of course, as mentioned in the previous video, you have a cover on the battery, so both sides of the battery actually have covers, which make it really nice. Very, very good to protect your battery. We know I've seen guys take an unfortunate spill and they'll dent the aluminum outside of the battery. This way, this is protected. And if we measure the battery too, it's actually a lot wider because this is a 50 amp hour. So you have a bigger cells in here, you have more cells, and the battery actually goes a lot taller than the previous one because you have to fit the battery management system, the charging port, the both charge and discharge relays. So that's in there. But take a look at this, guys. This is amazing. The engine, the motor is so small in comparison to the old model, and this is really where the Electromotion is ahead of its game. It's a smaller motor. It still has your clutch on this side, which is a lot more easily accessible, of course, because it's you can do the slave cylinder. You can take this cover off and service the plates right there. You don't have to go through all the active congress of the old, I guess like the old version. And you have the 4-speed transmission, of course. But take a look how big this motor is. It's so small compared to the previous EM, where, I mean, this thing is huge. I want to say the new drivetrain is at least, it's a third smaller. And that just equals more space for battery, a lower center of gravity of everything, and just good innovation. Don't get me wrong, this Ashwood motor has done wonders. It's still great powertrain, but as technology improves, I mean, can we get smaller than this? You know, can we get a motor that's smaller than this to essentially put out more power than that guy over there and give us 4-speed transmission? Very impressive. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos of this Factor E and the Escape XR limited edition coming soon. Aloha.